Some projects don't clearly show what the finished project will look like when you're only looking at the cut layers. Rolled flowers are a great example of this. You can see the spiral, but what will it look like when you've rolled it? This video is in response to a question from Ann Aubrey on a previous video. She asked, is there a way to add a photo of a project as a reference in Cricut Design Space? The answer is yes. This project is a great example of how adding a photo can make it clear which project you're trying to remake. I'm going to walk you through the process of adding the photos. My name is Ruth. This is Hank's Maker Mentor, where I help you learn how to make. We'll open up My Stuff in Design Space, find the project that you want to add the photos to, click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner, select Edit Project Details. If you haven't edited the details of the project before, the image will be what the design looks like on your canvas. The section below will be where you'll add photos. There's a link to photo tips that brings you to this page that explains how to take and edit the photos so they work well. I've included that link as well as some other helpful links in the description of this video. To upload the photo, you click on the plus icon in this box. With a PC, it will bring up the folder to allow you to select the image you want to upload. It'll do the same basic thing on Mac and mobile devices. You'll find the file. Mine was the most recent thing in my downloads folder, but you can navigate to different folders. After you select the image, click Open. You can upload more than one image, change the project name, add a description, and tags. When you're satisfied, click Save. Now that you've edited the details, you can choose if you want the project public. The project I'm using for today's example is a private project since I uploaded the file from 3rd Degree Laser where I purchased the acrylic blank. Photos are visible on shared projects, so keep in mind what you're comfortable sharing with the entire Cricut community, as well as others that might see it. You can use the arrow icons to switch between the photos and the canvas view. If you have any further questions about how to add photos or other Cricut or sublimation related questions, please drop them in the comments of this video. Thanks so much for watching Hank's Maker Mentor, and until next time, bye.